how to play games on Steam Mobile. So if you want to play games on Steam Mobile, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you can go with search and you need to search for Steam. And after searching here, you need to go and install the Steam application. Once you install the Steam application, you can again go with the search and you need another application, which is GeForce. You need to go and install the GeForce, but if it is not available in your region, then don't worry. You can just simply go back and open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and search for GeForce. After that, you can go with GeForceNow.com, which is right here, play.geforcenow.com. And you need to scroll down, go with agree and continue, which is on the bottom. And you need to connect your Steam account with your GeForce account. So after connecting your Steam with your GeForce, then you'll be able to play games on your Steam mobile app. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.